Are you confused about which grain is better for your health? Oats or wheat? Is oats the modern superfood that's replacing the wheat in every diet? Or is wheat still the timeless staple of energy and nutrition? What about the digestion? Do oats really help or they are overrated? And how do these grains affect your blood sugar and weight management? Finally, which one does Ayurveda recommend for your body type and doshas? So stick around as we settle in the ultimate battle between the oats and wheat. You don't want to miss the final verdict about this. Let's start with the foundation. What exactly are oats and wheat? Wheat, which is a common Indian staple in households for centuries. Wheat is used to make rotis, breads, a variety of other dishes. It is rich in carbohydrates and provides energy, making it a primary food source for millions of people. Whereas on the other side, oats, which is often seen as a Western addition to Indian diets. Oats are whole grains which are known for their high fiber content. They are usually consumed as a smoothies or as a part of baked goods. Both are versatile, but their nutritional profiles and effects on health vary significantly. Now let's break down their nutritional highlights. If we consider wheat, which is high in carbohydrates and moderate in protein, it contains essential nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, etc. Whole wheat, which is also known as atta, it retains fiber, but refined wheat, which is also known as maida, loses most of the nutrients during processing. Now, whereas on the other side, oats, which is known for their high fiber content, especially beta-glucan, which helps heart health. It is also rich in protein and healthy fats compared to wheat. It helps in lowering the cholesterol and helps in regulating the blood sugar levels. If you are aiming for heart health and better digestion, oats have an additional edge over that. But wheat wins for energy and tradition. Now let's see which one works better. Your digestive health and blood sugar management can determine which grain is better for you. If you consider the wheat, which is full of fiber, it has a higher glycemic index than oats. This means it raises the blood sugar level more quickly and may not be ideal for the patients with diabetes. For some, gluten in wheat can cause digestive discomfort or allergies. Whereas on the other side, oats have a lower glycemic index, making them a better choice for blood sugar control. That the beta-glucan fiber also promotes gut health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Pro tip: for diabetes or those watching their blood sugar levels, rolled oats or steel-cut oats are better options than instant oats, which may be processed and higher in glycemic index. Ayurveda has long recognized the importance of grains in maintaining the balance. If we consider wheat, which is considered grounding and nourishing, wheat is great for balancing the vata and pitta doshas. It provides sustained energy and is ideal grain for those needing strength and stability. However, Ayurveda cautions against overconsumption also, especially for the kapha types, as it may contribute in weight gain and sluggish digestion. Whereas on the other side, oats, which is seen as a lighter, easier to digest, oats can balance kapha dosha due to its dry and light nature. They are warming, making them suitable for vata types, but potentially aggravating for pitta types if overcooked or spiced excessively. If we consider oats, the high fiber content keeps you full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Oats are often included in weight loss diets because they provide slow releasing energy, while whole wheat can also support weight management. Its higher carbohydrate content means it needs portion control. Refined wheat products like rice, bread or maida based dishes are best avoided for Weight Watchers. Both oats and wheat shine in their own ways. If we see wheat, roti, naan, parota, bread and cakes, the possibilities are endless. Its neutral taste makes it adaptable to both sweet and savory dishes. And if we consider oats, which is perfect for quick breakfasts, they can also be used in baked goods, granola bars and even a topping for savory dishes. However, oats can feel limiting if you are accustomed with traditional Indian meals where wheat dominates. Wheat, which is widely grown in India, wheat is affordable and has a smaller portion of a carbon footprint due to its local production. Whereas on the other side, oats, which is often imported and more expensive, oats can be less accessible for some households. If we see the fun fact, India is one of the world's largest wheat producers but imports most of its oats, adding to their cost and environmental impact. Now let's see the final verdict. Which grain is better for you? Choose wheat if you need energy and are gluten tolerant and prefer a versatile grain for Indian cooking. Whole wheat is especially beneficial for its fiber and nutritional content. Choose oats if you are aiming for weight management, better for digestion and heart health, etc. Oats are great for quick meals and modern dietary needs. Why not use both? Incorporate oats into your breakfast and enjoy whole wheat for lunch and dinner. Balancing these grains can give you a better for both worlds. Let us know in the comment section which grain do you prefer the most. So if you are enjoying the video, please do give a like and share it with your friends and comment down in the comment section. So see you in the next video. So until then, take care. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.